Peerless was a United States automobile produced by the Peerless Motor Company of Cleveland, Ohio from 1900 to 1931. The company was known for building high-quality, precision luxury automobiles. Peerless factory was located at 9400 Quincy Avenue in Cleveland. 1. History. Established in Cleveland in 1900, Peerless Motors began producing de Dion Bouton machines under license from the French company. At the time, Cleveland was the center of automotive production in the U.S. Peerless employed Barney Oldfield as a driver of its Green Dragon race car. In early speed races, Peerless proved the durability of the product and setting world speed records. Peerless was noted for its use of flat plane crankshafts in its engine designs. In 1905, a 35-horsepower Peerless, owned by Herman Hoster, competed in the world's first 24-hour endurance race in Columbus, Ohio. Piloted by Ernest Bollinger, Otto Fiesel, and briefly by Barney Oldfield, the Peerless led the race for the first hour before crashing into a fence, and experienced radiator trouble, but finished a close third place. As the Peerless evolved, it, along with Meigs Packard and Pierce Arrow, became known as the 3Ps of motordom in the U.S. Peerless' downfall was in its high quality going into the Depression. In the 1920s, the company was producing conservatively styled vehicles that endured for 10 or more years. Current Peerless owners retain their cars, which ran very well. New buyers of luxury cars were attracted to La Salle, Packard, and the Studebaker President series after Peerless ceased production of cars. And of production. Indiana, 1930-31, Peerless commissioned Murphy Body Works of Pasadena, California, to design what the company envisioned as its 1933 model. The task was assigned to a young Frank Hershey. Hershey's design for Peerless was a remarkably clean, elegant vehicle, powered by the company's Plan V16 engine. Peerless did not go out of business. They simply changed business models from the costly production of cars during the Depression to the more popular business after the end of Prohibition, distributing beer. Just as the final car was ready to be shipped back to Cleveland, the board of directors pulled Peerless out of the automobile business and reoriented the company to brew beer under the Carling Black Label brand. The last production model was 1932. Hershey's prototype was walled up in a room at the Peerless factory where it sat until the end of World War II. Hershey's prototype is now owned by the Crawford Auto Aviation Museum in Cleveland. The following Peerless vehicles are deemed classic cars by the Classic Car Club of America: 1925 Series 67, 1926 Euro 1928 Series 69, 1929 Model 8 125. 1930-1 Custom 8 and the 1932 Deluxe Custom 8. However, all Peerless vehicles are considered collectible. Gallery of selected models, main gallery of images, Commons category Peerless vehicles, advertisements, references, eventful 24 hours. The Motorway 13. July 6, 1905. Retrieved August 14, tenor, 2013 CCCA list of full classics. 8 to 125 owner Mr. John Knight of Canada, Kim's, Beverly R., editor. Clark, Henry. The Standard Catalogue of American Cars 1805 to 1945. Krause Publications. ISBN A0-87341-428-4. Howell, James W. and Hershey. Hershey Franklin Q. Hershey's Murphy-bodied Peerless V16 Prototype Collectible Automobile, Volume 12, No. 4, December 1995 ppA 56 Euro 63. External links, Peerless Forum, How To, and Parts, Peerless Motor Car Company entry from the Encyclopedia of Cleveland History. The Frederick W. Gowdy collection at the Library of Congress contains illustrated advertising posters for the Peerless Motor Company.